we have
Ayush.
a smart waste management system and a smart waste segregation model. So our system holds three parts. The first part is the smart waste segregation machine. So let me first introduce you to our first one. So sir, this is a smart dustbin which have been built all by me. Then you can see here, this is a society. So imagine if the husband and wife both have a corporate job and don't get time to segregate waste at their home. So we have prepared this smart machine. So sir, you have thought that already tons of garbage is produced and if not managed properly can harm our resources like land resources, air resources, water resources, etc. So people see waste as a problem, not just as a solution, but we have seen waste as a resource or as a solution. So let me see the practical of this. So we have given power to our dustbin. So this is metal. Here are three types of dustbin. First is dry waste dustbin, second is wet waste dustbin, and third is metal waste dustbin. So imagine if you drop a metal in it, it will automatically detect and will always segregate the metal to the metal waste dustbin. Similarly, sir, this is a wrapper. Like us Indians don't even know in which dustbin what waste to dispose. We throw here and there every garbage. So we have produced this smart system. So
तेरा वीडियो
when
बना
we
नहीं
drop
आरुष का ये खाली पता तो आरुष ने बोला आरुष का ही बना है
Similarly, the wet waste.
उनका बना
This gives the notification to the user that if the garbage is thrown or not. And sir, when we off it, it completely dissolves. So these are the hero of our model. This is called an Arduino Uno. This gives command to all the parts of our model. So sir, you can see that there are different types of sensors in our model. So firstly, there is a proximity sensor which senses metal. Second, there is an IR sensor which senses the dry waste and everything. And third and last is this rainwater moisture sensor. So sir, this sensor measures the moisturity or the humidity of every substance which is thrown into it. And if the moisture of that substance is very much, then the substance is considered as wet waste and it will always be disposed into the wet waste system. Now, off to my friend Darshan.
Our next one is recycle kit. Recycle kit is play main role in our project. We recycle plastic or dry waste or metal waste. For dry waste like plastic,
मैम बहुत धीरे बोल रहे हैं
cannot dissolve in the soil.
So, plastic waste in common is not disposable and it is not biodegradable. So, we thought of this whole factory system. So, sir, the plastic which is collected from this dustbin goes or transports to this factory. Then this factory ensures that
2 मिनट वीडियो बनाओ
this is come here
जब बन
is
जाए तो मैंने
completely
बोल दिया।
useful. Sir, we segregate it at the source only. So our India can become cleaner and greener. So this factory ensures that every material which is come here has been disposed. So then the waste goes from this factory to this factory and so on. Hence, sir, the plastic in common is only of plastic bottles, plastic polythenes, etc. So when this plastic comes to this part, we shred it like this. So here plastic is cut into pieces.
अभी वो लोग प्रोजेक्ट दे रहे हैं प्रोडक्ट दे दो उनका बाकी लोगों को दे दो
This section, which is known as washing.
आप भी ले लीजिए
Here, it is ensured that the plastic
आगे आगे
we
जब
are
ये दोनों
using
ये
is
दोनों
hygienic for us or not. And if not hygienic, then we make it hygienic for us. That the plastic is completely hygienic for us humans to use it. Then finally,
Bread
new
दिया,
product
जल्दी
conversion
जल्दी
is done. And sir, now comes the most interesting part, the role of the Nagarpalika or the office. So sir, you know that a new product has been formed here. So the factory's men put this product which has been formed here to sale and big companies buy it as per the requirements and then they repack it and sell it back to the consumers. So in this way, plastic is not dumped into the dumping yards, but it is used as a resource. Now, for the most amazing part of our project, there is the alternatives to plastics. So you can see here that we have put some types of vessels here. Like this is a glass, a dish, etc. So sir,